We're going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble using the Global Tech Retrofit on a 400 watt metal halide. First, you will unplug the unit, so we have no power going to the unit. Take the unit down, put it on the floor. Then we open the driver box removing 4 screws in a typical series of 4 screws around the driver box. Once the screws are removed, open the driver box. You'll find a capacitor and the ballast, both of which you'll remove. So you'll remove the ballast, which is somewhat heavy. Nice thing about this is when you do use the Global Tech product, it lightens it by about 7 pounds. Take the capacitor off and the cap. Now we have an empty J-box on the 400 watt metal halide. Next, we will show you how to install the driver. Here's the driver for the Global Tech. This is an old one. Obviously, this is our demo unit. This has been everywhere for the last 3 years. So after we've gutted the ballast box, we drop the driver inside. We make our connections up here. We've got our ground, our neutral, and our hot. And then we wire our wires from the output to the mogul base. Then we close it up and put the screws back in. And for time's sake, we're just going to put 1 or 2 in here.
We'll go the other one. How did you do this before?
I just did it on its own. And you want to make sure you put all your screws back. We're just doing this for demonstration purposes. So now we have the line voltage going to the driver, and then the driver outputs going to the mogul base. Now we flip it over. We have our Global Tech assembly. This is the yoke mounted with the standard Edison base on the top. We put a mogul base adapter inside there. And now we want to talk about the threaded rod. We have an extended threaded rod. The wires go through that threaded rod and attach to the base on the top. Obviously, it'll come wired for you. We just did this again to expedite the process. And then we screw it in. And voila. Light goes on. Takes about less than 20 minutes to do. And then you get 13,500 lumens. Beautiful light, you can see. And that's as easy as it is, Noah. Thanks for your business.